Well, here we are putting the second round of pea gravel in the pad. These railroad ties are 7 inches by 9 inches, so when this pad is full there'll be roughly 7 inches of gravel underneath the tank, which is more than enough. So that's a half a yard in this 6 by 6 pad, and you can see that it's not full yet, but we sure don't need a whole another half a yard to fill it, but we had to buy another half yard. Couldn't get anything less, so we're going to end up with a lot left over. So there's nothing to do now but just fill it and level it. Okay, there's the pad. It's just been leveled by eyeball. We'll get a straight edge along 2x4, something used for a scree bar, and we'll run it across there, and we'll actually use the level and get it all just right. We've got a tamper, and we'll probably come and tamp it down real good by hand, give it a final leveling, let it sit for a couple of days, and then we'll bring the tank in here and set it down.